Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to send location on WhatsApp. Alright, first of all we go to a chat and then from here we click here on the plus icon. Then from here we click on location and now we have two options. First we can send our live location or we can send our current location, so the location where I was at that moment. Keep in mind that if you share your live location, that every time when you move, he will send exactly that location to the person where you share your location with. So let's say right now I want just share my current location, then I click on that and right now he just sent my current location. If you want to do this for a live location, we click again on the plus icon and then location and click on share live location. Choose for how long, let's say 1 hour. And from now, every time when we move, you can see my live location just right here. Alright, this is exactly how this works and hopefully this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.